Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Today we've got a bonus episode, and that is because we've been sent a brand new product that's not due to be seen or released until the new year. Now Britpart have sent us this product to assess and have a look at, and I thought I'd share it with you guys to see if you thought it was something you'd like for your own vehicle. Now I've got the camera pointed up at the headliner, and that is on purpose because that is what we're looking at. It's a brand new replacement 110 county station wagon headliner that's made out of a composite material, so you don't have the risk of a saggy headliner anymore. Check it out, see what you think. I'll put all the details of it down below. I think LR Parts are going to take some pre-orders, but yeah, let's get stuck in and have a good look at this headliner. So as I said before, it's a big kit, so I've got it laid out here just to give you an idea. But one thing that struck me first is just how white it is. Now, obviously, Defenders have been around for a long time, and I think we've forgotten how clean and white the headliner was originally in those vehicles, because over time they just got so dirty. But this is the factory colour, and honestly, if this was in your vehicle, it would really change the brightness inside. So that's the first real positive. The other thing I really like is the fact that we've got none of that cloth. So I mentioned before, you don't have any of the cloth inside, so if your dog's jumping in the back and it's shaking itself and you're going to get mud and muck in there, this is going to be super easy to wipe clean. It really is. Now, it's not completely smooth. There is a light texture to it, so it gives you that kind of finish that you'd expect. And the moulding seems like it's really accurate. I've laid it all out here just to give you an idea of how it's put together. Now, the rear sections, you've got these two rear sections here that are made up of two pieces. Now, I said before, I wasn't aware of what this was going to look like at all when I got it out of the box, but it is a rigid plastic construction. So as far as fixings go, it doesn't come with any additional fixings, so you're going to be using your existing fir tree clips that you're going to be taking out. The front obviously is going to go in using your screws for your sun visors, and then you've got these fir tree clips that go on the side. I would probably invest in some new fir tree clips, because invariably when you take the old ones out, they do get a bit worn. But I will say that the original ones are definitely the best. So if you can buy genuine fir trees, you're going to get a much better fit than using aftermarket, because they're just not as strong. Now, as far as price goes, what was really surprising about this 110 kit is around the £750 mark, and that includes tax. So if you're going for a 90, you're looking at about 650. Now that's about half the price of the majority of replacement headlines that are on the market at the moment. So this should be a really good seller. So yeah, I guess if I just show you a quick close-up of this panel, this is the easy one to hold up. You'll see it's not massively thick, but it has got a bit of flexibility to it. But I wouldn't overdo it when you're actually fitting it into the vehicle, because you might end up cracking it. But it's pretty lightweight. It's got that really nice texture to it. I don't know if you can see there. I'm not going to play the guitar again, but you can see it's got a texture to it. So if I was going to be fitting this into a vehicle, I think I'd definitely be tempted to put some DYNAMAT on the inside of these panels, only because, you know, they have got some rattle to them. They're a solid panel. They're not going to absorb any sound. But if you actually just put a big piece of DYNAMAT on the back of each panel, that's going to massively reduce the sound resonance that you're going to get in the vehicle, and you're not going to get any of that rattling as you go along. So your existing headliner on a 110, you'll have three pieces, front, middle and back, and then you've got the fourth piece, which is the trim for the rear of the vehicle. So you basically got the same thing. It's just that the second two pieces are split in half. Let me know what you think. If this is something you want to go for, there is a listing in the description. If you scroll down below, you can click the link, get one on pre-order, because these aren't going to be released until January. You'll be one of the first people to get them, and believe me, I think it's definitely worth it. It's a huge upgrade to a saggy headliner, and it's not that expensive. So yeah, great bit of kit. If you're going to be doing a full restoration, you're going to really struggle to get a proper headliner without spending about 1,500 quid for a reproduced, remanufactured one. This could be a really good option for you. So yeah, hopefully if you like the video, do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you on the next one.